Alright folks, it's Mike, I'm back. Got another video for you here today. Like I mentioned in my last video, I got some goodies here from the store, from Milwaukee. They had some items on sale, and I didn't pick this up, but my brother did, and he wanted me to do an unboxing of it for you and add to my channel, so here we are. But anyway, yeah, picked up this ToughShell jacket. Never too late to start, or never too early to start thinking about winter here in Minnesota. So yeah, looks like it comes with a compact charger and power source for the jacket, a lithium 2.0 or 2 amp hour battery, and the jacket itself. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what my brother got here. Alright. Prerequisite steak knife for opening things, obviously. Here's the jacket. Nice and well protected. Press for 2 seconds to turn on and off. Alright. Jacket itself. Pretty nice jacket. It's actually pretty thick all by itself, without even considering this as a full coat. But yeah, I like it. It's nice. Let's see what else we got in the box here. We got a book. Letter product guide. There's the brains of the operation here. What's this? Wall plug and adapter. A little FCC warning deal here. Specs on the charger and stuff. That's cool. Anyway, let's put this back in the box. Give that back to my brother. Let's see. Compact charger and power source kit. Grab my unboxing steak knife. We got here. So this says there's a battery in here, compact charger, wall plug, and a USB cable. Let's see what we got here. Seems pretty well packed. Here's the little wall charger. It does say Milwaukee on it. It's rated at 5 volts, 2.1 amps, so pretty standard. Nice little deal though. Next we got power source deal. We have a book for it too. We've got to have some book. For the power source and the battery that comes with it. So here we go. So USB in. So assuming that's the charge. Use this as a charger for your M12 battery, from like a wall board or your car, computer even probably. It's got a little battery gauge on it. DC out. So you could use barrel jack as well as this is also DC out or USB out here. So put that away. Got a nice little cord here, Milwaukee branded. It's got Milwaukee red. Real nice. I'm gonna unfold all of it, but do this here. So you can do that there, and that will go ahead and power up a phone or whatever have you. Or the jacket plugs into here actually. Or this here plugs into here. And that goes in there. And you have yourself a way to charge 12 volt M12 battery. Which is the very bottom of the box. At the top, yeah, I guess how we look at it. And here we go. Red lithium 2.0. Let's go ahead and plug this guy in and see what we got. There we go. Oh, got 2 bars. I think this is just ready to go right out of the box. And no, it's not here. It's probably where those books come in handy. If I remember correctly, there we go. It's back here. Here, there we go, boom. So that plugs up the coat, has a little pocket here you can slip this in so it doesn't bounce all over the place. And you know, technically you could charge your phone off of this as well too. I'm guessing if you use one of the XC 4.0 M12 batteries, you'll get some pretty good run times. So, you know, you don't have to use this battery that comes with it for, you know, the duration of this, but you can definitely fit a couple extra batteries in this pocket. If you're going to be outside for a while and you want to utilize your coat, yeah, definitely. Also does have a little hole here for a pass-through for the USB for like your phone. So again, they already thought of that for you. These are nice double layered zippers. There's a nice little pull on it, paracord, some plastic, real nice. Gusseting in the armpits, strain relief, that's real nice too. Let's go ahead, turn this guy on. Apparently, hold that down for 2 seconds, and there you go, that's on. That's low, high, medium, low. Leave it on high. Let's see how it gets. So far, oh yeah, it's definitely getting toasted pretty quickly. It's not instant, obviously, but it's getting toasty. So that's nice. Oh yeah, definitely. So it looks like, wait for this to get warm. You have a pass through here into this pocket. That's nice. You don't have a pass through into this pocket, or this one unfortunately, but you do have one into this pocket, the inside. Charge device, pull some headphones out through it, you know, whatever have you. That's really nice though. And the jacket itself getting pretty warm. It does not feel like it has heating elements in the arms though. I think for your arms at least, you're on your own. But for the main torso of the jacket, oh yeah, it's warm. So there's heating coils on the back, the front of the torso. They do come all the way down over here too, so like it'll definitely like keep whatever you have in this pocket warm too. So you have a phone that's trying to keep the battery from freezing or whatever have you. Yeah, you know, you have a charger, but yeah, you can do that as well too. Yeah, my initial impressions of this are really nice. Might have to pick one of these up for myself. I'll have to see what I find here when winter hits. But yeah, you know, we're gonna end the video here, guys. But yeah, if you want to see more unboxing, my first impressions on products, feel free to subscribe. And you know, as always, check out all my other stuff as well too. And I will try to post more videos on a more regular schedule. We'll see how this all goes. All right, thanks for watching.